Netflix has added the extra home fee. Will block usage in other homes if you don't pay.
Uh-oh.
They're finally cracking down on this shared account thing, which they've been talking about for a while. And they're starting in other places, other countries. Chile, Costa Rica, Peru, and then possibly rolling out everywhere else soon. A fee of about $2 to $3 is currently what it is. Obviously, that's your exchange from the local currencies. There could be different in different places. On Monday this week, Netflix announced a different kind of fee it would charge customers who share accounts. The new one requires customers to pay for extra homes starting August 22. Here's some others: Argentina, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras. The fee for each extra home is $2.99, anticipating a worldwide rollout. Netflix has been careful about how they've worded this because I think they know they definitely know that there's a lot of this going on. They have slowing revenue growth. They obviously lost some subscribers. They got to dip in and say, hey, we're cutting back on it. A Netflix Homes FAQ clarifies that users can watch Netflix on your laptop or mobile device while traveling and watch Netflix on a TV outside your home for up to 2 weeks, as long as your account has not been previously used in that location. It's pretty specific here. Mm-hmm. This kind of stuff is it's a bit annoying to me, even though I don't even share my account with anybody. It's a bit annoying because I imagine the circumstances in which I'm going to bump up against this. I'm going to be like,
in one scenario, you're just not going to have Netflix.
I can already think of it. I can already think of a scenario where I'm in a different place more than once per year, where I just want to log into my Netflix, and it's going to be like, no, it's over 2 weeks total time, and now we count this as another home. And then it's just annoying. Then you're adding things to your account, and the price is just getting to like $50 a month.
Right.
So here's how they're saying it. Adding extra homes. The number of extra homes you can add, even while paying for it, depends on the plan you have. If you have a basic plan, you can add 1 extra home. Standard plan, 2 extra homes, and premium up to 3 extra homes. And I don't understand why at this point they're not just calling it a family plan. Mm-hmm. Just say that you have a family plan for multiple people and say the total number of people that can be logged in at once, and stop with this home mobile complication. The other thing is that they could just straight up block an IP, straight up block. They took that piece out actually of their statement. I think they realized that people might be a little bit worried about that. But anyway, it's going to start down there and then possibly go elsewhere. So just be on the lookout if you're one of these. Prepare yourself for the potential Prepare yourself for Netflix winter.
Okay, yeah.
A Netflix winter.
Another winter to worry about.
It's all winters.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not all winters, because I don't know if you heard about this. Well, what do I mean heard about it? You've experienced it, this heat. Have you experienced the heat? Not in the studio, but out in the world.
I would say we're lucky in Canada. Apparently in like the UK, it's
UK is records,
like 37, 38 degrees.
Yeah, he's talking Celsius, by the way, people. We're talking about like 100 Fahrenheit, and we're talking about records in the UK that haven't been touched in 40, 50 years, stuff like this, or maybe never in some locations. Mm-hmm. But actually, most of the world is pretty hot right now, including here, which is why I said you've experienced it. Now, people wouldn't know that. They see you in the hoodie. We're at least 200 feet below the surface here.
Yeah.
So it's not, they're looking at you. They need to realize that it's always cold down here.
A temperate 19 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, this is broadcast winter here.
Yeah.